If y equal to x upon 1 plus mod x, when x belongs to a set of real number, then the set of all limit points of y is, for interval is given to us either open, closed, semi-open or semi-closed, and we have to find right one option. As y is given in set builder notation, y equal to x upon 1 plus mod x, such that x is coming from set of real number. When mod x or absolute function is given or comes in set builder notation, or whenever it comes in function formation or define, always resolve mod x for positive values and negative values, separately. This will help you to find the solution in convenient way. So y can be written as x upon 1 plus x for x is positive value. When x is positive value, including 0 you can consider, and y will be x upon 1 minus mod 1 minus x when x is coming from negative reals. Now we have find y more explicitly, and we can find easily the limit points of y. This is set builder notation. If roster form is given to us, then we can somehow predict about the limit points or whatever the information asked. But it is set builder notation, so we need to do some written work. Intuitively, we can't say about directly the limit points of set y. For positive values, y equal to x upon 1 plus x. This is small y and this is capital Y for set notation. When x is much far away from the point 0, or you can say origin, then value of x is much greater than 1, so you can leave it. Then x upon x will be 1, so its right bound is 1, so y is right bound y 1. When x is much closer to 0, then 0 upon 1 it will be 0, so left bound by 0. Also for 0 it will be 0, so you can take equality sign. Similarly, for x is, when x is negative, y equal to x upon 1 minus x, then when you far left from 0, then absolute value of x is much bigger than 1, so you can leave it. Then x upon minus x will be negative 1, so it is left bound by minus 1, and when is you are closer to 0, then 0 upon something will be 0, then it is right bound by 0. So y is right bound by 0 and left by minus 1. So interval we have find, this is minus 1 to 0, it's open interval, and for positive value we already find 0 to 1. So this is for y, and when we join these, or we can take a union, so it will be minus 1 to 1, it will be minus 1 to 1, or 1 as 0 is here you can see y can take 0 value, so it is left closed, it is left closed, so it will be, so 0 comes here, and in this interval, and this is the type of open interval, open interval. And we know every open interval, every open interval, or each point of open interval is limit point. So limit point of y is, by this statement, -1 to 1. It means open interval -1 to 1. So match this one. It is matching from option A. Option A is our right choice or key.